I'm Philip from Hang Loose Property Noosa. Welcome to peaceful BOREEN Point. I've got a really rare 1,000 square metre vacant block of land right here in BOREEN Point, only about 18 minutes out from Tewantin. Hard to get land anywhere, but even more so here in BOREEN Point. Let's go and have a look at number 5 Rainforest Court. Rainforest Court, a quiet street just tucked around the bend from the Apollonian Hotel. We're a walking distance down to the lake. 5 Rainforest Court.